you see from the title or the thumbnail, it's going to be my SHEIN Christmas haul.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hey, I am Shake. I do lifestyle vlogs and beauty videos, so if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button to be notified every time I make a video. So I finally got my stuff from SHEIN, so this is the haul. Don't mind me and how me look. I just switch on from work. We got to unbox these. All right, so my sis just actually went through, so we're going to be going to two different bags. So she also bought some stuff that, you know, because she buys some, me buy some. All right, so the first item we're going to unbox is this little thing here. So tell me what it be. Yeah, can't some of them don't know what it be. Oh, these are the placemats. So, you know, it's Christmas, so we gotta have a little different look. So these are the placemats to put on the table. It says Merry Christmas. Yes, and it's 4 of us, so 4 mats. All right, I got 4 of them. Good. Yeah, we have this thing here. Now this is actually, it's like a little deck. I'll put the picture up here so if you can find it. It's like a little thing you put on like the door, like a hang on the door, hang on the wall or something like that. Yeah, I'm gonna show you. How this go? So this is a joy, and you got 2 other pieces, or 1 other piece, yeah, 2 other pieces. First one says Christmas. Lay that on the bed, and this says Merry. Oh, cute. So it comes with Merry Christmas, and then it has this little thing that says Joy, so you can put that somewhere else. So guys, this is what it looks like. She have to try to hold up that because she thought there was a nail. We probably need to go put a nail or something, like to push it up more. I prefer the height that you have it right there right now, and then the Joy should drop right there. So the Merry Christmas, I love it. Yeah. I like it. Or you put it at the other door. Yeah. Guys, stay tuned for the Christmas decor haul. Not the haul, for the Christmas decor vlog. Yeah. Next thing we got is some coasters. Oh my god, these are so cute. Anyway, so these are some coasters. So, you know, you put them down, you can put your little juice on it. It says Merry Christmas. Alright, comes with quite a few of them.
Hi vlog.
Hey. Alright, so next thing is this. Can I say it's a cutlery holder thing?
You're supposed to put the knife and fork.
Yes, you put the knife and fork here or something. I don't know.
Let me see. I think I know how.
Oh, in this here, so yeah.
No, because actually Santa for sure. So it's here.
Oh, cool. So it's part of
send you the
go.
picture when I'm done.
The one in the have nothing.
Or is it in here? I can send a picture. Me figure it out.
Look like I'm guessing for true.
I want to send the picture.
Yeah, looks like that's where it is for true. Because they hold it there. Yeah. Alright, so yeah.
It's just a decor.
Just for decor. So we have this snowman. We got Santa. Quiet.
Sorry.
We got a next snowman, and we have a reindeer. She also bought some of these Christmas 90s pajamas, people. Christmas pajama. How does this work? So this is the buttocks. So this is what the buttocks looks like. Yeah, I like it.
A little bit twin. Okay. Let me see what's that.
Check. And then this is what the top looks like.
Yay.
And she bought triplets.
Yay. 2. I think
2.
it's 2.
So the other one, this.
Oh wait, it's 3.
No, me ask for
Let
this.
me see.
Alright, so she said 2. Oh no, this is 100.
Oh, that's my dress.
Oh, so this is not a part of my Christmas decor.
It is.
No. So she buy one for me, one for her. Alright, so let's go to the other part of the decor. We have something in here for our birthday. Yeah? Alright, so the first thing in mine are these. So I bought some, what do you call these? Stockings, Christmas stockings. I have the M for my dad, which is his name. Yet me not telling him my father's name. I got the R for my mom. And then S for me and my sister. I was trying to find a K for myself, but couldn't because it was sold out. So I got S for both of us. The rest of us figure out which is which. Anyways, so these I got these. These are what do you call these? Chair covers. So it's to put over the chair. Oh, it's big enough, so I'm hoping it will fit. They are chair covers, so it's going to go over the chair. It looks the dining room chair. So it looks big enough that it will go over. I look cute.
Why me always do this, Jesus?
You
don't need to buy 5 eggs.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it comes with 6, which is perfect because our table has 6 chairs. Next thing I have, what do you call it?
Santa Claus is coming to town.
She disturb me something.
Santa Claus is coming to town. Yeah.
Bye. Anyways, alright, so you know the little thing after you fix up your table, right? You put on the tablecloth. There's this thing in the middle. This is what I bought that for. It says Merry Christmas at the end. Yeah. So that is what it looks like. Alright. Yeah. So that's that. And then what else did I get for Christmas decor? Alright, I didn't get anything else for Christmas decor, but I did get 4 more stuff. So I got some, what do you call these? Highlighters. Some cute highlighters. I wanted these from when I was going back to school, but I did not. So I bought them. Honestly, thought they would be bigger, but they aren't. So we're gonna see. So these are what they look like. And this is what the tip looks like. It actually looks like a marker instead of a highlighter, but it's cute. We like. So yes, it comes with 6 in the pack. So yeah. Then I got myself a bracelet. The last time I bought a bracelet off of SHEIN, it's changed color. So we know it's all changed color. However, I didn't love it so much. I wore it literally for the entire Christmas season until it just couldn't wear no more. So I'm going to be doing this just the same, you know. It looks small, but oh no, it's not. It's so cute. Yes, I'm actually selling bracelets. So if you're interested, we got bracelets to sell you. But this is from SHEIN. You see the little reindeer and stuff. It's so cute. So I love this. I love this for me. Alright, so I got 2 more stuff, people. Bear with me. We're going fast and we're going fast. Alright guys, so the next thing I got was another black biker shorts. And this seems like a different material. This is one of the tightish kind of material. So this is what it looks like. I have one already, but the black one, I wear it so much time, it start get wear on. I'm gonna want a black one. I actually want a white one as well. Do I not have a white? No, I do not. No. Anyways, so I also got myself another sweater. And it feels so comfy. Look at it. So it says, dance like Frosty, shine like Rudolph, give like Santa, love like Jesus.
Why yours not have the cute edge?
I don't know. So this is what it looks like, people, and it looks
this
so,
is not
not this girl taking up on me something.
Sorry.
So look, it looks so warm, it's thick, it's huge. Oh, I love this. I just love this. If you know me, you know I love long sleeves, I love sweaters. So yeah, so I'm gonna try on this, and I'm also going to try on the biker shorts and get back to y'all. Alright guys, so this is it. This is a sweater. It's so comfy. Ah, feels so good. And I love the color too. And this is what the biker shorts look like. Yeah. Don't mind the mess walk if over here, so. Yeah, me just go take that. I'm happy. This is so warm. This is so warm.
Okay, we can charge him outside.
But so come, me still can't get over my sweater. Really can't get over my sweater. So yeah, that's my sweater. It's quite warm in here. I love it. So, yeah. Alright guys, so I wanted to show you what the 90 looks like, but I don't intend to take off about this. Look at and then remember something in shirt on. So this is what the 90 looks like on. Yeah. Oh yes, yeah, showing away fuck look like. So yes, this is what it's supposed to look like. So you put it down on your table.
Yeah, and it's just for decor. When you're gonna use it,
just for decor. It's so cute. I love it. I love it. We did.
So that's how I got 4.
Yeah. Yes, that is gonna be the end of my Christmas haul, and also the end of, I think, my first Vlogmas video. Yeah, if it's not the first, it's the second. All right, or about the third. So this is going to be the end of my Vlogmas content for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever I make a video. Remember guys, for this Vlogmas season, I'm trying to do at least 3 videos per week. I'm not doing like daily vlogs, but now I put myself through that this year. So 3 videos per week. So yes, I will see you guys in the next one. Love you. Love y'all.